So Kaizer Chiefs are willing to spend 16 million rands on Olangelihle Phili, but it seems ukuthi ama-agent walomfana lona yiba bayenza le move ukuthi ibe impossible. Umbuzo wami ke enginawo, it doesn't make sense. Is Stellenbosch FC number one? They overpriced Lomfanalo. 16 million is a lot of money for Lomfanalo. He's not worth 16 million. He hasn't even played 2 seasons compared to a Premiership. I don't even understand why Stellenbosch FC would want so much money for Lomfanalo. But the Kaizer Chiefs, because they desperately want the boy, bafuna ukeda manamba kuyateke yabo bayavuma ukuthi okay sizoniphi 16 million. Now the problem is the agent. The agent kushuthi yena uyayidelay le move. He's hoping ukuthi Lomfanalo angahamba ya overseas. Please tell me this. Lomfanalo na angaya overseas. Angakaze adlale at the biggest team in South African football. Yofika enzeni pheshe. Yofika tatazele lapha pheshe akaze adlale stadium esigcwele sine crowd esiningi because Stellenbosch FC I'm sure sinana ama-support akhona abantunyana abayi-15 abasuka lapha eStellenbosch. So it's not fair, number one, on the boy. It's not fair on Kaizer Chiefs. Last ngenzi video ngacomplain ngalama team lawo ukuthi why is it that njalo when Kaizer Chiefs yona ifuna ukusayina i-player lama team bafuna uku-overprice ama-player, or they just make sure ukuthi it's difficult for Kaizer Chiefs to sign that player. They did the same thing lesikhathi Kaizer Chiefs ifuna ozona police kuPulukwane City sambona aya kwenye indawo. Kaizer Chiefs were once interested in Siphombule. Even now Ronaldo Lina lo bamsayine manje bebamfuna kuSikhukhune were not willing to sell. Now Kaizer Chiefs emthatha as a free agent. Does Kaizer Chiefs always have to wait for a player ukuthi aba my free agent kuze badlalele Chiefs? Ayenzi sense. And also it simply means ukuthi kunomuntu lapha ku Kaizer Chiefs ongayenzi izinto right when it comes to the negotiation of players, because it doesn't make sense ukuthi ama club angavumelana ngama terms and then manje inkinga sekuyi agent. It doesn't make sense. Ngitshele wena ukuthi yenza sense na ukuthi inkinga now sekuyi agent. Let's say ke okay cool sharp the agent ufuna lo mfana lona hamba overseas, no team ya overseas shows interest base Chiefs ithi siyabonga thina si right. Stellenbosch FC seyiluzile 16 million. Le mfana would have also lost an opportunity to go play for a big team. La he stands a chance ukuthi abizwe kuba bafana athola ama scouts ukuthi ay overseas. Now what a smart agent would do in a situation like this, uyamthatha lo mfana uyasayina ne-Chiefs, mdedela adlalele i-Chiefs. While adlala ne-Chiefs hamba uyokokotela ama-team wa next door batshele ukuthi the biggest team in South African football were even willing to spend 16 million rands on this young guy. It means that he's a future prospect and Lomfana Lona has a lot to offer. Then ama-team amaningi azoza zokokota. Maybe even the next coach bafana uzomthatha Lomfana lo amfaka adlalele bafana. But I said the same thing nango Emil Witbooi. What these teams don't understand is that the moment uwalela labafana ukuthi bajoin i-Chiefs ne-Sundowns, I mean i-Chiefs ne-Pirates, don't tell me nge-Sundowns because Sundowns yabasayina ukuthi babench. Number one, ubavalela ngaphandle amathuba wama-sponsor, ubavalela ngaphandle amathuba wama-scouts. Kaizer Chiefs yahamba yodlala i-CAF Confederations Cup. Imagine Olangelihle Phili playing and competing at the highest level la Africa, which is continental football. Uyawabona amanye ama-scouts azombona because Al Ahly this season is playing in the CAF Confederations Cup. So it means uzodlala in a competition that has a lot of eyeballs from overseas because abantu bayayazi Al Ahly. Abantu bayalazi ibhola lase Egypt ukuthi kulishisa kanjani. Abantu bayebheka iMorocco, abo Wydad Casablanca nabo bazoba ba compete lapha. So it means that Olangelihle Phili then stands a chance ukuthi abonwe bigger teams, bigger audience and a bigger market. Mara makahleli lapha ku Stellenbosch FC uyodlala ni MTN 8. Uyodlala iCarling knockout. And he's gonna stay at a team that's not even gonna finish top 5 at the end of the season. And you understand, honestly, this thing ends on my agent. I'm my agent, yiwo kahle inkinga sometimes. And I'm my agent inkinga because the agent no worry kuphela ngesikhwama sakhe. He doesn't really, he or she doesn't really care about Lomfana lo. And the problem here is that the agent Mfana ne, and I want to teach young footballers lentole. It's good to have an agent ozokwazi ukuthi negotiate a contract right that will benefit the future yakho. But the biggest problem is that the agent une target naye ayichaseayo, une commission naye ayichaseayo, une mali naye kumele ukuthi ayenze so that he can keep business yakhe afloat. At the end of the day phela agent use businessini. So the problem is that now agents are more focused kuma business wabo. They don't care ngalabafana laba. That's why 5 years from now uzabathi kunomfana bekashisa sekahlele lokishini ethembisa uphuzu utshwala day in day out akasana mali. I-agent ihambile yamsigna to a certain team for a certain amount of money. I-agent azange yamhlalisa phansi yathi this is how you spend money and this is how you secure a future yakho. So it's important mawuzokhetha agent that really has your best interests at heart, because the into yakalangelihle Phili now is starting to become frustrating. I-Chiefs now they must not be that desperate. If Stellenbosch FC ayifuna ukubathengisela bahambe bayifuna amanye ama-player, bakhona bomaqokolo lapha kumaZulu intwana ezigijimayo that know how to make things happen. Bakhona bomaxwele lapha ku Golden Arrows. Kaizer Chiefs can go negotiate for those kinds of players. Ama-player ukuthi nabo they are ball players, nabo bangakwazi ukuthi bathathe on ama-player bashuthe Lo mfana lona is not the only player that knows how to play football. So Eastern Boy agent Lena must come back abuye kwi reality atetele lo mfana hamba yoshayina ku Kaizer Chiefs where he definitely has a future. Makafika ku Chiefs uphila uzothola game time ubani uzombencha lapha ku Chiefs. But if he goes overseas, angahamba sign with team ya overseas somewhere in Belgium or kuphi afika adlalela i3rd division leyo team leyo angatholi ne scheme 2-3 years later sekabuyile la South Africa simthola sekadlala in the 2nd division because the agent didn't make wise decisions. The agent didn't care about this boy. Ayike kuba selfish ama agent wase South Africa bacabangela ama players sometimes. Make a move that will benefit you as an agent, yes, but that can also benefit the player, especially long term. Ungacabangi short term.